फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तुम ठीक हो, आर यू ओके, आर यू ओके। क्या तुम आओगे, विल यू कम, विल यू कम। यहाँ क्या है, व्हाट्स हियर, व्हाट्स हियर। तुम कहाँ थे, वेयर वर यू, वेयर वर यू। वह कौन है, हु इज ही, हु इज ही। तुम क्यों रोए, वाई डिड यू क्राई, वाई डिड यू क्राई। क्या ये काम करेगा, विल दिस वर्क, विल दिस वर्क। ये कब हुआ, when did this happen, when did this happen। तुमने क्यों किया, why did you do, why did you do। मुझे बताओ, tell me, tell me। कब आओगे, when will you come, when will you come। कौन आएगा, who will come, who will come। नेक्स्ट है, कब शुरू होगा, when will start, when will start। तुम क्यों रुके, why did you stop, why did you stop। तुमने क्या सुना, what did you hear, what did you hear। मुझे दिखाओ, show me, show me। ये किसका है, whose is this, whose is this। क्या हो रहा है, what's happening, what's happening। नेक्स्ट है, ये किसने किया, who did this, who did this। क्या तुम गए, did you go, did you go। वे कहाँ है, where is he, where is he। तुम क्यों आए, why did you come, why did you come। कौन है वहाँ, who's there, who's there। तुम सुन रहे हो, are you listening, are you listening। नेक्स्ट है, यहाँ क्या हुआ, what happened here, what happened here। कब खत्म होगा, when will end, when will end। तुमने किससे पूछा, whom did you ask, whom did you ask। तुम क्या चाहते हो, what do you want, what do you want। क्या वह गया, did he go, did he go। कब शुरू करोगे, when will you start, when will you start। तुमने क्या लिया, what did you take, what did you take। वह क्या है, what is that, what is that। यहाँ कौन है, who's here, who's here। तुमने किसे देखा, whom did you see, whom did you see। मुझे देखो, look at me, look at me। तुमने क्यों रोका, why did you stop, why did you stop। ये कब बनेगा, when will this finish, when will this finish। तुम कब गए? When did you go? When did you go? यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? How do I get here? How do I get here? वह कौन था? Who was he? Who was he? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? तुम कैसे जानते हो? How do you know? How do you know? तुम किसके साथ हो? With whom are you? With whom are you? यहाँ क्यों रुके? Why did you stop here? Why did you stop here? ये कब होगा? When will it happen? When will it happen? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? कब तक आएंगे? When will they come? When will they come? ये किसका काम है? Whose work is this? Whose work is this? कौन जा रहा है? Who is going? Who is going? कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you wait? How long will you wait? कब तक चलना है? How long to walk? How long to walk? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? तुमने कब किया? When did you do? When did you do? वह क्या कह रहा है? What is he saying? What is he saying? तुम किससे मिले? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? ये कौन करेगा? Who will do this? Who will do this? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whom are you talking to? Whom are you talking to? ये कैसा काम करेगा? How will this work? How will this work? यहाँ क्यों आना है? Why come here? Why come here? कब तक इंतजार करूं? How long wait? How long wait? तुमने क्यों कहा? Why did you say? Why did you say? ये कहाँ रखा है? Where is this kept? Where is this kept? वह कहाँ गया है? Where did he go? Where did he go? ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? तुम किसे बुला रहे हो? whom are you calling? whom are you calling? किसके साथ जा रहे हो? with whom are you going? with whom are you going? तुमने कब शुरू किया? when did you start? when did you start? ये किसके लिए है? who is this for? who is this for? कब तक करोगे? how long will you do? how long will you do? क्यों नहीं आए? why didn't you come? why didn't you come? तुमने क्या कहा? what did you say? what did you say? नेक्स्ट है, ये कब बनेगा? when will this be done? when will this be done? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? why did you come here? why did you come here? नेक्स्ट है, क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? are you listening? are you listening? किससे पूछना है? whom should I ask? whom should I ask? तुमने क्या सुना? what did you hear? what did you hear? ये कैसे लिया? how did you do this? how did you do this? तुम क्या सोच रही हो? what are you thinking? what are you thinking? किसने कहा था? who said this? who said this? तुम कब लौटोगे? when will you return? when will you return? क्यों नहीं किया? why didn't you do? why didn't you do? ये कहाँ मिला? where did you find this? where did you find this? कब तक चलोगे? how long will you walk? how long will you walk? नेक्स्ट है, तुम कैसे जानते हो? how do you know? how do you know? ये क्यों हो रहा है? why is this happening? why is this happening? किसके साथ जाना है? with whom to go? with whom to go? ये कैसे होगा? how will this happen? how will this happen? कब तक रुकोगे? how long did you stay? how long did you stay? तुम कब आओगे? when will you come? when will you come? यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? what are you doing here? what are you doing here? तुम क्या लाए? what did you bring? what did you bring? तुम किससे पूछोगे? whom will you ask? whom will you ask? ये किसने लिया? who took this? who took this? तुमने क्यों छोड़ा? why did you leave? why did you leave? ये कहाँ से आया? where did this come from? where did this come from? तुम क्यों रुके? why did you stop? why did you stop? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? are you coming? are you coming? ये कौन था? who was this? who was this? तुम क्यों नहीं आए? why didn't you come? Why didn't you come? ये कैसे काम करेगा? How will it work? How will it work? यहाँ क्यों रुके थे? Why did you stop here? Why did you stop here? तुम क्या कह रहे हो? What are you saying? What are you saying? कब तक चलेगा? How long will it last? How long will it last? तुमने क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you do? Why didn't you do? ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will it continue? How long will it continue? किसे बुलाना है? Whom to call? Whom to call? तुम कब से रुके? How long have you stayed? How long have you stayed? ये कब तक रहेगा? How long will it stay? How long will it stay? तुम किसे देख रहे? Whom are you watching? Whom are you watching? क्या तुम्हें लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? ये अच्छा है. It's nice. It's nice. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. आसपास पूछो. Ask around. Ask around. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. So that's for the today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोज मिलती रहेगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.